In previous class we studied about the adaptation in animals, is it? In that classification we study about the aquatic animals, forest animals, grassland animals, and desert animals. Is it correct? Yes. In aquatic animals there is a study about the fish, frog, duck. Correct. After that, adaptation in forest and grassland animals, we study about the lions, how to adapt that. Correct. Deers. And after that is desert animal. Desert animal we study about that. Which one? Yes, correct. Camel. Correct. So after that, today we will study about that adaptation in animals in snow regions. Is it? So you will see there in snow region there is so many animals present in there. So you can search on the internet. You also observe that so many pictures of the snow region animals available there, like yak, polar bear, white fox. Okay, these are the, yes, so these are the pictures you can observe on the snow regions animals. So here is the yak, correct. So this image you can download and you can compare with the tropical region here. So tropical forest means the normal forest, they don't have the cool condition, that extremely cold condition or extremely hot condition. They are intermediate in between, the that condition is a, that's called a tropical region. In Maharashtra and near to the state, that will come into the tropical region forest, is it? Compare that with the tropical region parent. So after that, so here is the picture given that there is a mostly that animal have the, yes, long and thick hairs. Okay, so you can, what purpose they you can wear, you can study about that. After that is the polar bear. Polar bear, I will be show the study one video about that polar bear, what will be there actually, work actually where to live and what is, how to survive that polar bear. You can see the video little bit. And these are the they have the long hairs like this. Is this correct? So that the protect their body from, yes, coolness, to maintain their body temperature, so they will be survive easily there, is it? So that are the snow region animals. So there is a question for the homework is, how are they useful? What the skin are the typical characteristic of the animal snow region, how they are the useful them. So you can solve that, or you can search on the internet, or you can think about that and answer me that. Okay, so next topic is that, yes, so what is the main difference between the vehicles on the road and aeroplanes? So obviously so many difference, you everybody, and so small person to a big one, which can know about that in the road vehicles and aeroplane difference. So road vehicles is a, yes, what you know, but you think about that, what you know about that, and what is the difference about that? Anybody telling to that? So you think about that. So what is the main difference? Everyone know that. So what is the main difference between the, yes, what is the main difference between the road vehicles and what, aeroplane? So what is the main difference there? Vehicle on the road have wheels and aeroplane have wings. That are the major difference. Okay, yes, correct. So vehicles on the road, they have wheels, through wheel they can transfer from one place to, on aeroplane have their wings like these birds, is it? Yes. So what is similarity between this bird and aeroplane? We can see there. Okay, so what will be, yes, so aerial plan, adaptation in aerial plan. Aerial means those are the animals which are mostly survive in the air or sky. Okay, is it? So that will be studied in today. So the spindle shaped body of bird also minimize their resistance of air while flying. Is it correct? So while flying, the spindle shaped body, spindle shape means that they have the smaller region of the front side, and back side also smaller space there. So that will be spindle shape. That aeroplane, you know about the aeroplane shape. Aeroplane shape is it? So aeroplane shape is like that, like this one, no? Correct, this one. After that sorry, yes, just wait. Aeroplane is shaped like this one, is it? So after that here is a space, like you assume that. So these are the aeroplane space according to that, is it? Like this space aeroplane. So same way is the bird place, is it? Observe that, correct? So why there is a spindle shape, and yes, the spindle shape body what help to them minimize their resistance. Suppose in front side of ear very high here, okay, ear come from this side, okay, direction of this side, okay, and suppose this spindle shape body is not there, suppose this types of body is in the aeroplane or bird, what will be happen? There will be more resist of this, and they not fly easily, okay, they will be go to back, is it correct? They will this direction opposes. So that's why here the spindle shape body help to their fly easily on here, is it? So aeroplane also same thing with the aeroplane have the spindle shape body like this, okay, I will already draw that, correct. After that is the second characteristics of that the aerial animal is that the with hollow bones and bone a body cover with feathers and modification of the forelegs into the wings. So they have the this bone hang the hollow means one inside there nothing space is available only, okay, so only space is available. You observe that a pipe, yes, so these are the bone types, okay, so inside there is all hollow region with there, so means there inside here so nothing is there, means they light weighted is the bone with there in short there, okay. Next is body cover with the feathers of modification of forelegs into the wings. So what will be forelegs? Foreleg means the backside their wing. They will be covered into the they will be covered into the flight of their wing. Is it correct? So these are the backside forelegs into the wing. Okay. So that are the useful for their, okay. Yes, their body is lightweight and adapted for flying. So their body is also very light weighted as compared to other animals, okay, so that's why they can fly in easily air, okay. These are the some basic characteristics of the aerial animal, is it? So the body of insect also is light in weight and dapper at the bottom. So you observe that insect is near to the your homes or inside your home or near to your location surrounding, there is so many insect is available there. So what will we observe that the insect also fly sometimes, okay, they can walk in the front two way on the two legs, and after that they can walk, yes, so they can fly with two pair of wings and also walk with six legs, okay, they can have also six legs on their backside, so they can walk also with the help of wake, is it okay? 1 2 3 4 5 like this, okay, so these are the wings and insect is like this, okay, whatever be that different types of insect is there, so they can fly also and they can also walk with the help of their six legs, sticky legs, is it? So that are walking purpose also use their six sticky legs, and their flying purpose also use their sticky legs. That are the what? They are the special characteristics of their wings, okay. uh, Sorry, their lengths, so they use multi-purpose of the walking purpose as well as this purpose, okay. After that bat, you know that the bats can fly with the help of their pandions and thin fold of skin between their forelegs and legs. So back the special types of aerial animals that will climb in the nights only, mostly in the night area, so you can visible in long distance at night. They can adapt according to their, yes, according to their situations. So that are the aerial animals. Next is observe the various birds and insect in your area. So you can observe, that's the homework for you. These are the homework for you, okay. What? Observe the various birds and insect in your area. Yes, okay, so that are the homework, you can write on their answer on that. Okay, yes. So right now you study about that two types here. First is snow regions animal and second one is the aerial animals. Is it correct? Fine. Yes.
Transparent hairs have a hollow core, allowing sunlight to warm up the bear's black skin. Polar bear fur has no white pigment. The reflection of the sun makes the bears look white. Polar bears generally live near open water, where they hunt for their steady diet of ringed and bearded seals. The animals smell food as far as 100 miles away and find...
In previous class we studied about the adaptation in animals, is it? In that classification we study about the aquatic animals, forest animals, grassland animals and desert animals. Is it correct? Yes. In aquatic animals there is a study about the fish, frog, duck. Correct. After that adaptation forest and grassland animals we study about the lions, how to adapt that. Correct. Deers. And after that is desert animal. Desert animal we study about that. Which one? Yes. Correct. Camel. Correct. So after that today we will study about that adaptation in animals in snow regions, is it? So you will see there in snow region there is so many animals present in there, that the reptile animals. Okay, so adaptation in reptile animals. So what do you mean, the you observe that is this is what is? Yes, correct, this is the snake, this is leopards, correct. Okay, so these are the reptile animal. Reptile animals means what? Yes, they can walk with their help of their muscles, body muscles or their skin. Okay, so that will be for observe the distances how snakes are thrown chains with the organ to they use the chains. Is it? So are they have special change for that purpose? Yes, obviously they have the special changes for that purpose. What changes? Their muscle will be changes, their momentum will be changes, that will be special changes are for the child purpose, is it? So yes, note any such changes. You can note that animal like a house lizard, garden lizard, crocodile use their muscles for rearing. Similarly, they show adaptation in skin, sole of feet, body and color. Color will also they can change according to their surrounding, and their body shape also change their. Yes. For example, the house lizard and monitor lizard have the cleft toes and their soles, where the snake have the skeleton. You can observe there in the picture here. So say snakes have the such types of skin in there, in correct. And here is a lizard have the different types of color on their body, so they can according to that they can change their color according to surrounding for their adaptation purpose. So that is special characteristic of that. And they can walk, this can walk with the help of their legs, but here the in body there with the friction with their earth surface or their land or a wall. You can observe that you can uh, stickly with a wall and they can walk with the help of their legs. You can observe in snakes they can walk with the help of their skin muscles or their scale have the walking purpose. Special types of muscle will be available there. Okay, so that are the types of reptile and they can adapt it according to situation. Okay.